Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car.
A brief history of the L88. Origins of the L88 name in the 1960s, its significance as a racing legend, and why Chevrolet revived this iconic nameplate for 2025. Positioning of the 2025 Corvette L88. Where it stands in the Corvette lineup, and how it differentiates itself from the standard C8 Corvette and Z06 models. Target audience. The L88's appeal to sports car enthusiasts, collectors, and those who seek track-focused performance. Exterior aesthetics. Detailed examination of the Corvette L88's exterior design, from aerodynamic contours to aggressive body lines. Special L88 features. Unique design elements that set the L88 apart from other Corvettes, including exclusive color schemes, racing-inspired details, and carbon fiber components. Aerodynamics and downforce. How Chevrolet has used advanced aerodynamics to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Race-inspired cabin. Description of the cabin's materials, seating, and design with a focus on performance and driver engagement. Comfort meets functionality. How the L88 manages to balance a luxurious interior with the functionality needed for a race-ready car. Technology integration. Overview of the advanced infotainment and digital dashboard, focusing on track data logging and customizable driving displays. The power plant. Detailed technical breakdown of the L88's powerful V8 engine, with a focus on its horsepower, torque, and engineering advancements. Transmission and drivetrain. Analysis of the transmission options, likely a dual-clutch automatic, and how they complement the high-performance nature of the L88. Performance metrics. Expected 0 to 60 miles per hour times, top speed, and quarter-mile capabilities, along with a discussion of how the L88 stands up to its supercar competition. Track-focused suspension tuning. In-depth look at the suspension system, including adaptive dampers and track-ready tuning. Cornering and stability. Examination of handling characteristics, including traction control, stability management, and how the L88 performs on high-speed corners. Enhanced driving modes. Overview of driving modes designed for track conditions, and how they modify throttle response, braking, and suspension. Performance braking system. Description of the L88's advanced braking components, such as carbon ceramic brakes, brake cooling systems, and anti-lock braking specifics. Driver assistance. Safety features that aid performance without compromising the racing experience, such as adaptive cruise control, collision warnings, and lane assistance. Durability and reliability. How Chevrolet has engineered the L88 to withstand rigorous track conditions and high-performance driving demands. Corvette's digital cockpit. Focus on Chevrolet's integration of technology, including digital displays, HUD, and real-time data logging for track enthusiasts. Infotainment. Overview of the infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and smartphone integration with a nod to driver-oriented features. Customization and controls. The L88's ability to customize driving dynamics, monitor performance, and log data for later review. Fuel efficiency in a high-performance car. How the L88 balances fuel economy with powerful performance, considering modern fuel management technologies. Environmental impact. Chevrolet's environmental considerations for a high-powered model like the L88, including any hybrid technology or fuel-efficient engineering efforts. Emission standards. Overview of how the L88 complies with emissions regulations without sacrificing power. Cost of ownership. Expected maintenance, insurance, and fuel costs for the Corvette L88. Reliability and longevity. Insights into Chevrolet's reliability for performance cars and how the L88 is expected to hold up with proper maintenance. Maintenance needs for a track car. Unique considerations for owners who plan to track the L88 regularly, including brake replacements, tire wear, and suspension adjustments. Corvette L88 versus other high-performance vehicles. Detailed comparison with similar models from Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. Performance versus price. How the L88 provides value for its price point compared to more expensive supercars. Unique selling points. Highlighting the features and characteristics that make the Corvette L88 stand out in the supercar segment. On the track. First-hand impressions of the L88's performance on a racetrack, focusing on acceleration, braking, handling, and stability. Daily driving usability. How practical the L88 is for everyday driving and how it handles different road types and conditions. Long-distance comfort. Assessing the L88's comfort, noise levels, and practicality for road trips or extended drives. What's next for Corvette? Speculation on the potential future of the Corvette lineup, including electric or hybrid iterations. Legacy of the L88 in modern times. How the 2025 L88 keeps the legacy of the original model alive in a modern context. Corvette's role in the supercar market. How the Corvette L88 reinforces Chevrolet's place in the performance vehicle landscape. Side-by-side comparison of the L88 with other trims like the Z06, ZR1, and Stingray. Performance metrics and handling differences between trims. Who should choose the L88 over other Corvette options? Price and value comparisons across the lineup. Comparison of the Corvette L88 with rival sports cars like the Porsche 911 GT3, Ford Mustang GT500, and Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Strengths and weaknesses of the L88 relative to these competitors. Performance metrics across acceleration, handling, and braking. How the L88's value proposition stacks up in the competitive high-performance segment. Maintenance schedule, oil changes, brake checks, tire replacements, and more. Expected cost of ownership and factors influencing resale value. Chevrolet's support network, warranties, and service options. Community and enthusiast networks for Corvette L88 owners. Pricing tiers and value for money relative to other performance cars. Additional packages and premium options for the L88. Comparison of cost per performance with similar sports cars. Long-term value retention and depreciation expectations. Summary of early reviews and insights from automotive experts. Feedback from customers and Corvette enthusiasts. Real-world performance feedback and customer satisfaction. Highlighting the strengths and areas for improvement. Recap of the L88's most impressive features and performance credentials. Why the L88 is a top choice for high-performance car enthusiasts. The legacy of the L88 and its significance for future Corvette models. Final thoughts on whether the L88 offers the best of Corvette engineering and performance. Who is the ideal rider for the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette L88? Is it suitable for newcomers to the BMW lineup, or is it best for experienced motorcyclists? Best use cases. Touring, sport riding, commuting, and weekend adventures. How it adapts to different types of riding styles and environments. Umming up the advantages of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette L88. How it fits into BMW's legacy of touring motorcycles. Why this model is a major player in the premium touring motorcycle market. Final thoughts on whether these is worth the investment for the discerning rider. Breakdown of pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette L88. Value proposition for various riders. Commuters, long-distance travelers, and enthusiasts. How the pricing compares to other premium motorcycles in the same class. Resale value. Expected depreciation, and how it holds its value over time. Seat design and comfort for long-distance touring. Adjustable handlebars and foot pegs for a customizable fit. The importance of wind protection and aerodynamics for rider comfort. Storage solutions. Luggage options and integrated storage compartments. Heated grips, seats, and other comfort features for year-round riding. An in-depth look at the suspension system, forks, shocks, and adjustable settings. How the suspension is tuned for different riding conditions. The frame, materials, rigidity, and performance benefits. Handling on both urban streets and winding mountain roads. How it balances comfort with agility for touring and sport riding. Detailed specifications of the engine, displacement output and torque. Advanced engine technologies, e.g. cooling, fuel injection, emissions control. The power delivery. How the engine performs in city, highway, and touring scenarios. Comparing the engine performance to other models in the lineup. The role of the transmission and gearing in maximizing performance.
Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.